Hello everyone and welcome back to the Diotti.com YouTube channel. The protagonist of today's product review and the protagonist of any modern living room into which it is placed is the designer chair Keel. Keel is characterized by a contrast between its volumes of the very thin metal structure and then the voluminous backrest and seat, and a contrast between its materials of upholstery, solid wood and metal. Let's dive in and discover the details of this modern designer chair. The designer chair Keel is available in the version without armrests, which is the one that we have here. Or if you want, you can opt for the chair with armrests, which recall the same exact designer material as the very thin minimal metal frame. If you like the overall design of the modern Keel chair, you're in luck because the collection also includes bar stools, which come in two different heights, depending on whether you want to use them at a snack bar or a lower kitchen bar or kitchen island, or you could even opt for the Keel armchair version. And it must be said that the Keel armchair version could even be used at a table, because note that the average seat height of a chair for a dining room table is around 45 or 46 centimeters, and the armchair seat height is just a little bit lower at 44 centimeters. So while it could result a little bit lower at the table, it could be done. Now, the total height of the Keel chair is 82 centimeters, and it has a very generous seat width of 56 centimeters. Let's take a look at how the chair has been constructed. So at a technical level, this solid ashwood backrest did not have to be this thick. Instead, it has deliberately been done to create this contrast that we spoke about between the volumes of the chair and add to its overall aesthetic and unique appearance. And taking a look at this curved solid ashwood backrest, we realize just how fantastically this chair is constructed, because in order to create a thick curved piece of wood such as this, you first have to cut a block of wood, and then it is hand carved to create this perfect curve both on the inside and outside. Moving on to the seat of the chair itself, I can tell you that although it appears to be one single form because we've completely upholstered it, underneath there's actually a hard undershell, and on top we have the soft padded area where one will actually sit. Now you'll notice that you don't perceive the structure under the seat, and this is because it is quite literally nestled into the shell underneath instead of being a visible structure with the seat placed on top of it, as is often the case in the construction of many other chairs. Another thing I must say, which is a very interesting characteristic and customizable feature of this chair, is the fact that while here we've chosen to upholster the entire seat, you could instead choose to have just the top padded part upholstered, and then the hard undershell can be in the exact same color as the structure. And we'll talk more about that later. For the upholstery of the seat, you can choose from our entire range of fabrics, velvets, faux leathers, and real leathers. And seeing as the seat cover is not removable, I would strongly recommend that you choose an upholstery or material that is very durable or easy to clean, such as leather or faux leather, or even an anti-stain fabric. Here we've chosen to completely upholster the seat in the fabric andros, meaning that it results as one single upholstered form. However, if you wanted, you could instead choose to just have the top padded part upholstered and then the lower hard undershell in the exact same color as the structure. And now our structure is in the color Anthracite, but it's available in the color Pearl and Aval as well. The solid ashwood curved backrest is available in 7 beautiful natural wood tints, ranging from the lightest color beige to the darkest color, which is charcoal, allowing for maximum customizability. Now, the design of the beautiful chair Keel, it must be said that it's not a design that is very over the top. In fact, it's a rather discreet design made with classic materials, wood, metal and upholstery, but thanks to extremely excellent craftsmanship, these materials have been brought together to create a masterpiece that is this chair. And this niche product is something that is only truly appreciated by true lovers of interior design. We've come to the end of the video on today's product, the Keel chair. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel to catch more product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.